आता तुम्ही किती कांदा भजी घालता?
कांदा भाजी घालतो.
आता तुम्ही किती घातलेला भितूर?
थोडा मीठ घालतो.
सोडा, मीठ, मिरची.
मिरची, कांदा, दोन भाजी.
बाबा तुमका आता एकदम सवय झाल्या न्हू फास्ट 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 करपाची. आता इथले 10-15 मिनिटांनी तुम्ही कितलेशेच आयटम तयार करून झाले. हय
15 मिनिटांनी तुम्ही आता कापां, मिरची, त्याच्या उपरांत बटाट वडे, कॅप्सिकम, मिरची इतले सगळे घालता आणि भजी आता तुम्ही बाबा इतले फास्ट आसात. म्हाका सांगा बाबा तुमका एका दिसाक कितली किलो पिठी लागता?
10 किलो लागतो.
10 किलो. आणि पाव?
पाव 200.
200 पाव. म्हाका दिसता आपण ना सगळ्यांची मग वेगवेगळी स्टाईल असता कांदा भजी काडपाची.
अविनाश आम्ही सगळ्या तरेच्यो भज्यो खाल्योच. कापा, मिरची, सामोसा, वडा. पण तू आज आमच्या म्हापशान आयला सो आय थिंक यू शूड टेस्ट दिस म्हापसा स्पेशल कॅप्सिकम.
म्हणून तर मुद्दाम आयलो न्ही म्हापशां खावपा खातीर.
ती चटणी तुमचा कांदो तेंच्यांनी जो भाजून घाला.
कितले? म्हाका अशें दिसता आपण ना की जी गोष्ट तुका आवडटा आणि ती जेन्ना मेळटा न्ही तातूंत जो आनंद आसता न्ही तो आनी कितूच आसना.
खरेंच रे.
कॅप्सिकम
कितले फूड असो कॉन्टिनेंटल, इंडियन, चायनीज, पूण जी मजा खरें आमच्या वडा पावन आसा किंवा असल्या भज्यांनी आसा नथींग कॅन रिप्लेस इट.
तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार गॅस्टोच्या शेफ्स किचनात.
आमच्या बरोबर परत एक फावट आसा शेफ जोशी हू इज गेटिंग मच 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 पॉप्युलॅरिटी इन आवर शो. वेलकम शेफ.
Thank you very much.
What is the dish today?
We'll make today it's crunchy potato cake.
Okay. And what are the ingredients?
This is the potato which is finely julienne. Okay. The refined flour for the binding, the egg, garlic, parsley, very fine chop, salt, crushed pepper as a seasoning, and the oil to just get sauteed.
What you said this is?
Crushed pepper, crushed black pepper.
Okay.
Mirpur.
आपण पहिले न्ही जाल्यार केकचे कशें दिसना पण नाव आणि हे ते सगळे एकदम पोया डिश कशी आसा ती.
We should start.
Yes.
Okay.
We'll finish it. First I'll take potato here, which is raw, which is not cooked. Just made a fine chop. In that, I'll put some salt. Some crushed pepper in it. Some parsley in it. Some garlic.
We are not using ginger here.
No, no ginger. No ginger. Some refined flour for binding, which will help to the egg. And the egg. It is not too much.
This is again
Yes, whole egg. Okay. Now I'll mix it together. Okay. I think it's required a little bit flour in it.
Flour is just for the binding purpose, right?
For the binding. This is done. I'll just put it in a pan and saute it.
Okay.
Okay, before you start with the sauteing the things, I'll tell you that you can use such kind of molds which get in the market.
Okay.
Even though you can take a small kind of pan and you directly put it on the things and you make it.
Okay.
That also you can do it. But I prefer to show it on the printing and all the things. I'll take a mold, okay, which I'll keep it here in the middle, and you to reduce the flame as soon as you get the pan is a little bit nicely warm and
Yeah.
use less oil. Okay. You have to cook it in the slow flame because your potato is very raw, okay, and it will take time to get cooked. Okay.
Are we
That's proper.
closing this mold or something?
No need.
Okay.
Still you want it, you do
Close
it.
it. Okay.
Close it, no problem.
So I think your chopping of potatoes should be very fine. That is very
fine.
important.
Very important. Very important. I'll do 2 pieces of this one, and even though I'll show it to the whole pan.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so the
Yeah.
everybody should not anybody can able to find out the mold, or you can manage the mold, they can do it.
Or just in a
Otherwise,
small pan.
you can small pan. You have added the eggs in it, right? So egg starts coagulating in it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is Avinash again, something a very new dish for me. I have eaten French fries and chips and this and that, but this is again something new dish. I think if uninvited or suddenly if somebody comes to your house, I think you are always ready to serve them something.
Now this kind of dishes, the small kids love it. In the evening time, when they come from the school and all, and every time you give them an omelette or like pohe, upma or something like idli and all, they will not eat. If you give this kind of thing, they will happily enjoy it, and they will again and again ask for the such kind of thing which is fresh. Yeah.
I want to ask you one thing. Instead of potato, can we use some other option?
Yeah, even you can use a pumpkin, you can use a carrot. Okay.
In the same way?
Yeah, same way you can do it.
Okay.
I'll show it with the whole pan.
Okay.
Now I have took it out and kept it here. That first individual. Now I'll show you the whole pan. That crispy potato cake.
इसको भी मोल्ड की जरूरत नहीं है.
एक बार कुक होने के बाद आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसा कट करके
I think non-stick pan is required for such kind of things, right?
Now the one side is done. I will just turn it off and
वाव
Cook it with the another side.
मस्त काही एक बरो असो लेयर आयला आय थिंक दिस लेयर इज ऑफ एग
Yes.
मातसो ताका खूप जावपाकूच टायम लागता म्हणजे ही डिश एकदम इझी आणि सोपी आहे.
Now the potato cake is ready.
ओके
Okay. Now we'll do the presentation.
इट इज सर्व्ड विथ व्हाट
You can serve with the tomato sauce, ketchup. Even though you can serve with your mint chutney also, you can give it.
Avinash, I think it's time for us to taste. It's very hot. It's nice. Cannot make out that it is potato. It is, and I think crushed pepper and again the लसुणाचो एक बरो फ्लेवर आयला.
व्हिवर्सांक ऑप्शनूय आसा म्हणजे पोटेटो जाय किंवा गाजर ते किंवा रताळे जे काय ते यूज करू शकतात ते पोटेटोच्या बदला आणि इझी आसा.
So this was our yet another journey in search of good food and just good food.
तुमकां ह्यो डिशीस आवडल्यो आसतल्योच आणि एक म्हाका अपर्णा दिसता काय ना वेबसायट पळयशीत जाल्यार वेबसायटीचेर आमकां बरेचशे कमेंट आयिल्ले आसात.
आमकां भरपूर रिस्पॉन्स येता आणि वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग
More.
मोर सो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू रायट इन अस at features@prudentmedia.in.
आता तुमकां सगळ्यांक बाय बाय
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
आणि एक काम बायटीट पळोवपाक मात्र विसरू नाकात.
Keep watching Prudent. हांव एक सोडू आप भी आओगे अभी टीवी पे बोलोगे फूड गुड फूड एंड जस्ट गुड फूड.
तुम
अरे किधर है तू
की